Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add logo in Wings website. So first up, open your Wings website here, then basically sign in your account. And then here on your dashboard, all you need to do, go to the search bar right there at the top and basically type here logo. And then you'll find the tools and settings. So we're going to click on this logo settings right from here. And then you are now on this page. As you can see, profile. Your profile is what people will see on search results, invoices, chat, and more. So basically, if you want to add a logo, just need to click on this upload image right from here. So you can basically add your logo, and here you can select the logo, or you can actually click on the upload media right there at the top left, and you can upload from your computer. Now once done, for example, just need to select that logo, and here once you select on this logo, you just have to click on this choose file button right here at the bottom right. Now if you don't have a logo yet, so basically you just need to click on this create logo, get your own business logo. So if you're going to click on create logo, as you can see, you now go to the new feature from Wings, which is creating your own logo and brand. So give your business its own stunning brand. So basically, just need to answer a few questions so you can get some logo and brand kit. So click on this get started button, and here what type of business do you have. So you just need to type right here your type of business. For example, I have online store, or basically you'll find some categories here. For example, just want to choose online toy store, and then click on next. And here, what vibe do you want for your logo? So for example, just want to choose fun, techie, and some modern look. So click on next. And then what text do you want in your logo? So you can type right here your business name, or you can actually click on get AI name suggestions. So you can select from here if you want Toyzio, Play Nova, or Toyvox. So just pick on this Toyvox and click on next. And here, what's your tagline or slogan? So basically, you can actually get a AI tagline suggestions. So right from here, I just want to choose a world of play, and then click on done. And as you can see, it is now starting to finding some stunning logos for your brand. So right, just need to wait here. So we have some different options that you can choose from. So for example, I just want to choose right there at the top. So just want to scroll up right here, and I just want to click on this logo, and basically you'll find your brand right here with this logo, and also with a mobile view, and also if you have some merch, as you can see here. And you can actually customize your logo. So you can click on this button, customize your logo. So on the next page, as you can see here, you can now basically edit your logo here. Now to use this logo, you can basically subscribe into advanced or basic plan in Wings. So if you don't want to use this subscription, so you just need to go back where we started from adding some image or a logo from your computer. So you just need to use that simple way on how you can add a logo, or you can just use this AI to basically get a logo. Now the second way here to add a logo, so go to your Wings website editor, and from here, if you want to add a logo, basically just need to delete a logo first here on this website, and you just have to click on add elements right there at the plus icon, and basically add this image and click upload and import, and then select the image, or if you want to upload image from your computer. So for example right here, so basically you can move it anywhere on your page, or if you want to change the size, you just need to resize your logo from here. So in my case, I just want to put it at the top left of my website right from here, and then I just want to adjust the page. So right there. So that's how you basically do that. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.